Wait, this bench has someone's name on it. I think this little plaque is trying to tell us a story.
It says, "For Sarah, who smiled at everyone every morning."
That's so beautiful.
Look around! Every old bench has one of these. It's like the whole park is hiding hundreds of little stories.
These aren't bench remembers someone. We should find out why these people were so important.
When I was younger, families often placed these benches here to remember someone they loved very much.
So every time someone sits here, they're sharing a small part of another family's story without even knowing it. This one says, Tom always fed squirrels before feeding himself. I think I would have liked me.
I'm glad someone is still interested in those old stories.
Someone removed the plaque. Why would anyone take away?
This doesn't feel like an accident. I think this missing plaque hides the biggest story in the whole park.
I remember that bench from many years ago. People often stopped here before visiting the flower garden.
I can only see the letter E. Everything else appeared.
Let's read every plaque in Maplewood Park. Maybe the other stories will help us discover what happened to the missing.
Every family left a little piece of love here. No wonder this park feels so peaceful. This missing bench was once called the Heart Bench. That sounds important.
Why did Mr. Wilson suddenly look so worried? The more we learn, the bigger this mystery becomes. I can't stop thinking about that missing plaque.
Sometimes the oldest stories are hidden because people are protecting love, not because they are.
This screw belonged to the missing plaque. Someone removed it carefully instead of breaking it.
Not yet. The time isn't right.
If every bench tells one story, maybe all the stories connect together, like one big family tree.
For Lucy, who believed every child deserved one more laugh. I think she made many happy memories right here.
Lucy was my grandmother. She loved bringing children to this playground every Sunday. I've never told you about your great-grandmother before. Today is the perfect day to begin.
For Captain Henry, who always believed every sunrise was a new beginning. I wish I could have met him.
Captain Henry always greeted everyone with a smile. He reminded people.
The picture matches the plaque. These benches really are pieces of living history.
They're getting closer than I expected.
Have you noticed? Every time we talk about the missing plaque, Mr. Wilson touches the same pocket.
What if the missing plaque isn't lost at all? Maybe someone removed it because they wanted to protect its story.
For Anna and James, who planted love wherever they walked.
That's one of the sweetest messages we've read today.
Was my mother. I haven't seen this bench in almost 20 years. My parents planted these roses together every spring. They always believe flowers help people remember love.
These benches aren't only made of wood. They're made of stories that help families stay connected for.
What if we invite families to visit their memory benches together this weekend? They can share these wonderful stories with younger children.
I think this will become the biggest storytelling walk Maplewood Park has ever seen.
They're doing exactly what I hoped someone would do one day.
Look, Another old brass screw. It's exactly like the one we...
I think we're following the right story now. Everything leads back to this tree.
Just a little longer. They deserve to know the whole story first.
Today, these benches are doing exactly what they were built for. They're bringing people together through beautiful memories.
This was my father's favorite place. I haven't visited this bench since I was a little boy.
Please tell him your father's story. One day, he'll remember it too, just like you remember today.
For Grandma Rose, who always shared cookies before feeding the ducks. I think she was everyone's favorite grandmother.
Look! 4 different benches all mention the words, "That can't be a coincidence."
I remember hearing those words many years ago. Someone repeated them every spring during the park's Memory Day.
That's Mr. Wilson. He looks much younger in this picture.
Who are the other 2 people? They must be connected to the missing plaque.
I knew this day would come someday.
I don't think Mr. Wilson is hiding something bad. I think he's protecting someone he loved.
Today, every family can tell one special story. Memories become stronger when we share them together.
I hope this music helps everyone remember happy moments with the people they love.
I wish Mr. Wilson would join us. I think he has one of the most important stories in this whole park. This journal belonged to someone. They visited the Heart Bench almost every day.
If the plaque ever disappears, protect it until people remember why it matters.
I think someone asked Mr. Wilson to keep that promise many years ago.
We're not going to accuse anyone. We'll ask Mr. Wilson when he's ready to tell us his story.
You've discovered much more than I expected.
Mr. Wilson, were you protecting the missing plaque because someone trusted you with a very important promise?
This key opens a small wooden chest. Inside is the truth about the Heart Bench. I think you're finally ready to... I've waited many years to open this chest again. Today, the stories are finally ready to be shared.
For Eleanor and Thomas, love never leaves. It's even more beautiful than I imagined.
This letter was written by Thomas. I think it's meant for someone very special. If one day this plaque disappears, please keep it safe until people remember that love is stronger than time. Then return it to the park.
Thomas was my best friend. He asked me to protect the plaque. We had to wait until people... Thomas believed every family should have a place to remember the people they loved. That's why he helped create...
This is Eleanor, but where is she now? Does she know this letter still exists?
Eleanor still lives nearby. She moved to Sunny Hills Retirement Home several years ago.
After all these years, it's finally time.
William? I thought this letter was lost forever. I hope you tell them you love them.
I promised Thomas I would protect it. Today, that promise is complete.
Let's return the plaque to Maplewood Park tomorrow. Then everyone can remember Thomas and Eleanor's story together.
This bench is finally coming home. I can't wait to see everyone's faces.
Today we celebrate more than one bench. We celebrate every story that continues to bring people together. Thank you for bringing Thomas's words back home. Now every family can share this love for many years.
One small plaque didn't only save one, it helped an entire community remember what really matters.
I think it's time for every new generation to leave their own stories here.
Today isn't the end of our journey. Today is the beginning of a brand new tradition for our whole town.
From this year forward, Maplewood Park will add a new memory bench every year so every family can keep their stories alive.
This empty plaque is waiting for someone's beautiful story. One day, another family will smile because of it.
I'm writing about today.
Because I never want to forget how one little plaque changed our whole town.
Every new bench will have a page in this book. Future children will know where every story began.
For many years, I protected one story. Now I trust you.
Protect all the stories that will come after ours. I promise these stories will never be forgotten. We'll take care of every memory bench together. We will make sure that they are safe.
Thomas believed every park should have a place where love could rest, even after people were gone. Today,
A memory is like a seed. If you share it with kindness, it grows in many hearts instead of only one.
Mom, why does every bench have a story?
These benches help families remember the people they love. Every story reminds us to be kind before it's too late.
Today, our community became stronger because people chose to listen to one another.
Years from now, this little boy will remember today. One happy moment can become tomorrow's beautiful story. When I'm old, I hope my memory bench says, Ben always shared cookies, most of the time.
I don't think these benches are lonely anymore. Every single one has someone who remembers.
One flower can say,
Now everyone has a place to share their memories. I wonder how many new stories this park will collect in the next 100 years.
as long as people keep telling stories truly forgotten. Stories are gifts. They keep families close. So share your memories and help someone remember. Because stories